Welcome to my vlog on Tanvi's social presentation. I'm back here with some important information which I thought should be given to you, especially for those who are appearing in the 10th examination. Now some new measures taken by the CBSE regarding the 10th examination has been taken, which was conveyed by the Education Minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, which states that the students, if fails in any of the three elective subjects, that is social science, science and maths, that failed subject will be replaced by the skill subject. And the report card will not only highlight the merit-based performance of the students, but also give feedbacks regarding cognitive, social, emotional, and practical skills gained by the students. The board will also focus on capacity building and standardized criterion with a global benchmark. The score will not be calculated, will be based on, but on the best of 5 subjects. As per the new rule, 20% allotted to skill-based subjects now went up to the 30%. This is in line with the government's Skill India initiative. Besides this, they have taken another thing, have issued the guidelines to the students who are appearing in the board examination that they have to be present at the center on the time given in their admission card, so that thorough checkup can be done and they will be allowed to enter the examination room and everybody can get the chance to give the examination hassle-free. So you have to reach the examination at the given time on your admission card. And social distancing will be maintained. And the new centers have been added so that every boy and girl or students who are appearing in the board examination can appear in the examination nearby to their house, so that social distancing other norms can be maintained to check the spread of coronavirus among the students. They have issued also that you have to carry only the pen, pencil, mask, sanitizer and water bottle with you inside the examination room or inside the center. The items which are not allowed inside the examination center, not only it is notes, books, mobile electronic items, headphones, etc., credit card, debit card, watches. The item you cannot carry inside the center. It has to be kept outside. So to avoid inconvenience, loss, damage of these costly items, it is better to keep it at home only and bring your water bottle, masks, sanitizers and your pencil box and other things, important items related to the writing the examination to the examination center. Another information coming is that the 9th and 11th examination will be online, which is starting from 21st February 2021 for the convenience of the students, so that the spread of coronavirus can be avoided. So these were some of the important information which came through. I wanted, or it was my duty to inform you, so that you can be better prepared for the examination starting on 5th May 2021 and ending on 10th June 2021. So that's all from my side. Hope this information will be important for you and for your near ones and dear ones who are appearing in the board examination, especially in the 10th class. And this all decisions have been taken because due to pandemic, schools were closed, studies were affected. So for the benefit of the students, so that everybody cannot feel dejected if they score less marks in subjects. So for the benefit of that, they have said this, or they have decided to follow these rules, which I think will be beneficial for the student as well as for the parents. A sigh of relief for them. That is something drastic happened. Their year cannot be spoiled. Their year will not be spoiled. They will get through the examination. So thank you very much for watching this blog, and I hope you like it and it will be informative for you. Many more will be coming during the time of the examinations. So thank you very much. If you like it, subscribe it. Take care. Bye. Thank you.